Prepare your passport, pack your bags, and get ready for the world tour. Oh, don't worry about the budget, because I am going to share a super easy method. By following this strategy, you are going to get paid a huge amount. Now plan a luxurious trip to Hawaii or Maldives or Thailand or wherever you want. You will enjoy your trip and you will make money passively at the same time. You can choose your own working hours and you can make more than $1,000 per week. You can always make money on this website, no matter where you are on the bus, at work, at school, at the hair salon, or even in the bathroom. Therefore, save your valuable time by avoiding Facebook and other social media. You may set objectives and concentrate on your strengths and what works best for you with nothing more than a mobile device and internet connectivity. So stay tuned and let's get started. But before we start our very special video, hey guys, welcome back to my channel where you will learn the easiest methods to make money online. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and remember to click the notification bell so that all the updates will have access to you. Also, watch the whole video to follow all the steps and tricks. Now, let's move to our topic. We're going to teach you all you need to know because this strategy is brand new and innovative, and not many people are using it yet. After this video, we will also be sharing with you a fantastic additional tip. Therefore, be sure to watch all the way through. We want you to open your default browser, type paidwork.com into the address bar, and press enter to begin using this approach. Or you can click on the link in the description box so you can directly jump onto the website without any hassle. Once on the webpage, you can see this. This website allows you to earn money online using a phone, computer, or tablet. You can use this on both Android and iOS devices, and you can get paid no matter where you are. So there is no need for concern. You can earn money by using this website to maximize your income. One advantage of it is that paidwork.com is a flexible solution that anyone from any country can use as a full-time or part-time worker. On any internet-connected gadget, you can make money. You will be compensated for your time and participation on the platform, wherever you are, and you may decide how you want to make money, so everything is in your hands. You can accomplish it by registering accounts, playing games, doing surveys, viewing videos, and purchasing online. After that, you simply follow the straightforward instructions to collect your profits. Your earning potential is unrestricted. There are currently 5 different ways to make money on paidwork.com, and each one is defined by a feature that may or may not fit you. High earnings depend on your time and engagement. The only ways to make money on this website would be by participating in surveys, watching movies, and online purchasing. Simply select registration in the top right corner to register. You should then be taken to another page where you may enter your email and password. Then press the next button. Then you're going to give your first name and last name and hit on registration. You should find yourself straight on your dashboard, as you can see on the dashboard. You can see your predicted profits for the previous 7 days, including today and yesterday. You can also see your balance for the previous month. Before you can fully move forward with being able to work, there are a few things that you need to finish. You must first confirm your email address. So find an email from paidwork.com in your inbox and click the Verify Account button. You should now click the Earn button, which you can discover on your screen's left side. You can select your method of earning right here. First, we'll talk about the first strategy, which is watching videos, so click the Earn button, go to the Watch Videos area, and you should see these 2 choices appear. To be able to choose, you must be already logged into your mobile device. Once on another page, all you'd have to do is scroll endlessly and move about as much as you can. Regardless of how you got there, you'll need to push play and watch the video. Make sure to stay until the timer ends so that your contribution can be recorded and you can receive the payment that you are entitled to. Second, another way you can make money is by watching these videos. It's time to share a bonus tip that will save your precious time. The best part is that you can change the settings to 720p quality and 4 times the speed, which will allow you to watch the videos much faster while still recording them so you can make money from them later. Refer people by clicking on the referral program link on the left side of the screen. This should take you directly to your link, which you can copy and share across all social media platforms. And boom! Through this, you may make as much money as you can completely automatically. You can be making half of what your referrals are. With this method, there are a huge variety of payment options as well. Numerous options include Bitcoin, PayPal, and bank transfers. Please hit the thumbs up button below and leave a comment with any ideas or questions you may have. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you can be notified whenever we post a new money-making technique that you don't want to miss. See you in the next video. Goodbye.